Hello everyone and welcome back to Satoshi Speaks YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing pre-sale product which is known as Liberlaunch. The biggest meme launch pad of 2025 and 2026 is here, backed by WLFI and Trump. Liberlaunch is gearing up to wipe out the rug pulls forever from the crypto space. So they have an amazing use case, so must check out this amazing pre-sale and don't miss out. So before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So what is basically Liberlaunch? Liberlaunch Labs is a next generation launchpad for meme coins built on WLFI DeFi infrastructure to create the safest space in the meme coin market and wipe out the rug pulls for good. Their mission is really good, but the meme market of trash coins restore trust and turn memes into valuable, lasting digital assets. So they have a really amazing case. So you can check out the final chance to buy LBLS claims launching in. You can check out the current stage, stage 2. They have 5 stages, and you can check out current target. It's 16% done. The amount raised is shown here. One LBLS token is equal to 0.00035. Your purchase amount as well as the details are shown here. You can connect and purchase it with your different types of currencies as well. So the project is really good. So now I also want to tell you some of the features of this amazing project, which includes voting law. Every project is reviewed and approved by the community, ensuring only high quality memes get listed. Nowadays you can see each and every meme coin is getting listed without any trust or approval, so they are providing the voting law feature. This is really good. Only approved tokens gets the right of listing. Also you can check out WLFI powered DeFi features such as secure liquidity, transparent tokenomics, and seamless integration into the broader DeFi ecosystem. So you can check out Adegan's home as well. After war of rug pulls for worthless meme coins, Mr. Trump, known for his sharp instinct in financial markets, decided he couldn't let Adegan's community keep getting wrecked. So he reeled over 85,000 members, meme coins lovers who had lost trust after getting scammed by trash coins. And the very next day, he launched the Liberty Fund and officially founded Liberlaunch Labs, a launchpad made exclusively for the memes. So project is really good. Down here you can check out 100% taken and safe, and also you can check out DAO voting, staking, universal KYC, security layers, as well as the liquidity are some of the amazing features. So now let's talk about some of the main key features that make Liberlaunch different from other products. The main feature is ScanRug AI tool. So you can check out the ScanRug AI tool. Functions include scan meme tokens, warn user of potential rug pulls, output safety ratings, as well as risk alerts in seconds, make meme market safe again. Slogan to emphasize no rug anymore. So here on the website you had to submit a contract. For example, let's submit this one and click on submit, and here you can see the loading is done, and it has given us each and every detail about this product, how this product is trusted, what are the team members, what is news summary, and the development of the product. Each and everything is shared in seconds. So make sure you check out the ScanRug AI tool. So I also want to tell you why you should choose LBLS. So some of the main points includes Trump is big believer in meme coin tokens like Trump, Millennia Moon, just by being clear to his name. So Trump is supporting this product, so you can expect solid returns from it. Also WLFI fund Trump backed, which is equal to very active in crypto, partners with Gate.io, BitGet, KuCoin, as well as Maxi. Some of the key angles include where WLFI list, LBLS will follow, and guarantee CEX exposure as well. LBLS isn't just a meme coin, it's a launchpad backed by Trump as well as WLFI. So combo includes Trump meme hype as well as WLFI DeFi infrastructure, recipe of explosive growth. So this is a really big product, so don't miss it out. So I also want to tell you about a token sale. So initial price is 0.0002. The expected listing price is 0.04, which is 200x from early stage holders such as stage 1. Participate into the stage 2, then it will be almost 190x as well. So make sure you check it out. So current price is 0.00035. Early holders can gain up to 120x if you ape it right now. Also CEX listings are coming such as Binance, OKX, Gate.io, Maxi, and much more. This means $100 early entry could be worth around $12,000 at listing, and $1,000 early entry could be around $120,000 at entry price. Some of the milestones include they have already achieved and raised $1 million. So the product is overall looking really good. So also you can check out the roadmap of the product as well. It includes all of the details, so make sure you read it out as well. So guys, overall the product is looking really good, so make sure you check out this product and participate in the product at early stages and do some on research as well. And make sure I'm not a financial advisor, I had just shown you product so that you do on research as well. According to me, this product is really looking good. So I hope you like this amazing and awesome product review. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.